MidOpt optical protective windows are designed to shield your lens and lighting from dirt, liquids, smudging, impact, heat, and many other harsh environments without sacrificing image quality. But what if you have an application that requires a custom solution? MidOpt specializes in custom protective windows for applications with unique specifications outside of a traditional camera and lens setup. They can be designed to work with applications in the visible spectrum, such as LCD screen covers and outdoor surveillance camera applications, and also in the NIR spectrum, such as autonomous vehicle LiDAR camera enclosures, and thermal applications with a working range out to 12.5 microns, as offered with our LP8000 germanium protective window. These windows can be manufactured with glass, acrylic, polycarbonate, sapphire, and other substrates, and can include various coatings such as oleophobic, anti-reflection, anti-fog, and hydrophobic coatings. They can also be made with chemically strengthened glass options such as Gorilla Glass. In addition, MidOpt also offers custom silk screening services for borders, masking, fiducial marks, logos, or patterns to truly customize your windows for a multitude of purposes. As with all filters from MidOpt, these custom windows are available with various mounting configurations based on the application need. MidOpt custom filter capabilities are truly unparalleled in the industry, and they have manufactured protective windows in a multitude of sizes and for a wide range of custom applications. To learn more about custom protective windows by MidOpt, visit midopt.com/filters/protective. Thank you for watching.